What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to stand out in a competitive market. If you're new to my channel, I'm ShelleyBeyer, the creator of PetBrainy. Every Tuesday, I put out new videos with my best strategies and tips to help you grow your pet business. In the pet industry, there is enough business for everyone, but you need to find ways to stand out. You can stand out in a competitive market by building a brand that people love. So what is a brand? A brand is a huge concept. So let me first start by defining marketing. The best marketing tells people what you do and how you can help them. If you do that right, then you can build a brand that is credible and known to be trusted. A good way to explain what a brand is a brand is basically the ecosystem of your business. Your business is the operation, the machine inside. Your brand is the internal plus the external. It's the way the market perceives your business. It's what they believe about you, the value and the quality that you provide. But it's also about the visual identity, such as your logo, the elements that you use, the fonts, the colors, all of the visuals. To build a good brand, you need to pay mind to the entire customer experience. This would include a good marketing structure, a good sales structure, a good operational structure, and a good fulfillment structure. By doing this, your brand will be seen as trusted in the marketplace. A good brand doesn't happen overnight. It earns trust. It's not just given trust. So you have to be patient. The one thing that sets you apart and makes your brand unique is you. You are unique in your own way. And only you have your story to tell. There are plenty of people out there that do what you do, but nobody has your story. Your story is what enables that connection with your audience. And then they're more likely to choose your brand because they have that connection. Jada Selner says it best. There's no such thing as a unique message, only unique messengers. By being the face of your brand, you can build that know, like, and trust factor. You're going to want to start documenting your stories and showing your expertise and experience. Build a story bank. Just get an Excel spreadsheet out and start brainstorming of all the different stories that showcases your expertise and experience. And then you can just pull from that spreadsheet every time you go to make an offer. Now, an offer can be anything from a blog, a video, something you're selling. It can be anything that has a call to action. Always be telling your stories. Tell them multiple times. You can tell them in different ways, but use the same stories because the more you tell your story, the more people will remember it. It takes multiple times for someone to remember your story. So don't be afraid of using the same stories multiple times. The next thing to think about is, what is your distinction? Become known for what you know and what makes you different. Find opportunities to showcase your expertise, and you can do this through blog, video, or podcast. I actually did a video on content marketing not too long ago. If you haven't checked that out, check that video out because it goes into content marketing and how you can use video, blog, and podcast to showcase your expertise. So make sure and check that out. The main thing is that you don't want to do what everybody else is doing in the industry. You want to make sure and stand out. So you got to look outside of the industry for inspiration. That's going to make a big difference because if you're just doing what everybody else is doing, then you're just going to look exactly the same. So one thing that can really help you stand out is bringing your other passions into your business and into your marketing. Now, you could bring your passion for cooking or making dog treats or whatever it is. Bring your passion into your marketing because your passion is going to help you stand out. It's these little things that help distinguish you from other businesses. What makes you different is what makes people remember you. The next thing you want to do to stand out is create an amazing customer experience. You want to think about every touch point your client has and make a great experience centered around the feeling that you want that client to have. Make it easy for people to do business with you. Take a look at your website. Can they go onto your website and do business with you any hour of the day? Take a look at all of the touch points and create that amazing customer experience. By doing this, it's going to help you stand out. You also want to provide consistency for your clients. This is going to help you stand out because if you train every single employee exactly the same, then that gives the clients peace of mind that no matter who you send to their home to take care of their pets, they're going to be taken care of at the same standard of care that they always are. So remember, every brand starts tiny. It takes time to build a brand, so be patient. If done right, you will create a positive feeling in people when they think of your brand. We have an entire course on branding in the PetBrainy Circle. The PetBrainy Circle is a membership site that is jam-packed of everything you need in order to run a successful pet sitting business. But more than that, it's full of a community of like-minded people, of pet sitting business owners just like yourself that are there to help and support each other. So if you haven't checked out the PetBrainy Circle, make sure and check it out because honestly, it's going to be an amazing experience that is going to help you so much on your journey. The link for the membership site is down below in the description, so make sure and check that out. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you're notified every week when I put new videos out. If you think your friends would enjoy these videos, share it with your friends. I'd love to see them. As always, I appreciate you being here. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one.